Hello there and welcome to another video, and in this video I will be going over how to buy USDT on Binance with PayPal, and if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so first of all you would want to open your browser and search for Binance. Once you're on the official site, you need to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you do need to create an account and of course get your account verified. Once you're there, click on the login page and then fill in your details to access your account. Next up, once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Next, you would want to of course click on the deposit option in your account, and this will allow you to add funds to your account. In the deposit section, locate and click on buy crypto. This will initiate the process of purchasing cryptocurrency. Next up, you'd want to choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Enter the amount of USDT you'd want to purchase. For example, if you want to purchase $15 or $20 worth of USDT, you'd have to enter that amount. Now remember, I did say you'd need to verify your account before purchasing, but once you're verified, all you have to do is click on the buy to proceed. Depending on your account verification status, that is, you may need to complete additional steps, but nonetheless follow the prompts to verify your account, or you can proceed to the checkout or payment page. And finally, once verified, you'll be directed to the payment options. First off, Binance accepts various payment methods, including PayPal, card payments, cash balance, online banking, bank transfers, Apple Pay, and of course Google Pay. So do well to choose a payment method that works best for you, and all you have to do is follow the prompts or instructions that precede. And there you have it. That's how to buy USDT on Binance with PayPal. If of course you found this tutorial helpful, or if it did give you some insight, then of course do well to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.